Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here and welcome back to another video. So last week I actually uploaded a video on why your channel might not be growing, and a lot of you guys actually seem to love it. And a question that I got from a lot of you guys was, Muaaz, I get viewers sometimes, but how can I actually get them to stick around? And that's a great question, which I'm going to be answering in today's video. Anyways, before the video does start, I do upload a ton of YouTube tip videos like this one right here. So if you guys do end up enjoying it, maybe hit that sub button, hit that notification bell, then comment below saying that you're a part of the Noti gang, and you might get a notification shout out like this one right here. But anyways, let's get on with the video. So as we already know, getting people to actually find our videos and actually watch them is really important, but we want to be able to convert that viewer into an actual subscriber who will then become like a part of your community, if that makes sense. So that way they're not only just going to be watching whatever video they're currently on, but they're going to be watching the video you upload tomorrow, and the day after, and then the week after, and things like that. So now, the first tip that I actually have for you guys, and this is much easier said than done, but it's that you need to be able to show that you can provide some sort of value to your viewers. So essentially what I'm trying to say is that you just need to make your value clear to the person who's watching your video. So for example, the subs of mine who are watching this video, if this is your first time ever watching me, first of all, welcome to the channel, but second of all, you don't have to answer this question, but for my long-term subscribers who are watching, just think about it in your head, like, why do you keep coming back to my videos? There's a pretty good chance that you come to my channel because you like to get help with tech stuff, gaming stuff, or you just want to learn how you can build your own channel. Like, that's the value I have, and that's the value that I provide to my viewers. And then for some of you guys watching this video, the value that I actually provide to you is like a friendship. Like, if you're in my Discord, I probably talk with you every single day if you're in there often, and if you follow me on Twitter, and if you ever tweet me, I literally respond to every single person who tweets me. So just by that, like, I built a really good connection with some of my viewers, but they initially found me and stuck around because the value that I gave them to begin with, if that makes sense. Now, this tip doesn't just apply to like tutorial videos like mine, but it really does work for everyone. Like, every single YouTuber that you watch provides you value in one way or another. You just might not think about it, but they really do. Like, if you watch vloggers, the value that they probably give you is like entertainment or like happiness that you feel when you watch them. If you watch gaming videos, then the value that you get is like you might learn something new or get better by watching that person play the game. So like in the beginning of this video, I mentioned that if you like videos about YouTube tips and things like that, then you might want to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications. That brief like little phrase that I said in the beginning of my video was like just me clearly telling you what value I can provide to you if you end up like sticking around on my channel. And of course, you don't have to do it in the beginning of your videos like I did personally. You can like throw it in your outro or like even in your description, but in one way or another, you definitely need to let your viewers know what they can expect from you in the future and why they should watch other videos from you if they end up liking this one as well. Alright guys, so moving on from that, the next tip that I actually have for you guys to consider is making a series on your channel. A lot of the creators that you watch have a series on their channel and you might not even realize it. Whether it's like specific type of gaming videos or pranks or really whatever, most people do have a series on their channel even if they don't talk about it like it is one. Chances are if you've uploaded a decent amount of videos and actually put effort into your SEO, so like your tags in your description, you probably had at least one or two videos that have done pretty well in comparison to the other videos you've uploaded. Take a look at those two videos, or even if it's just one video, just take a look at it and ask yourself if you could actually make a series out of it or if you could expand off it in one way or another. Because if people liked that video more than other videos that you've uploaded, they're probably going to keep watching videos like that if you keep making videos in that kind of like area, if that makes sense. And then once you have made a few videos like for your series, you can put them in playlists on your channel, and then you can feature them like right as someone clicks on your channel, and they might even end up binge watching your videos, which might lead them to subscribing and becoming like a normal viewer on your channel. Now, the next tip that I actually have for you guys is literally just to talk with your viewers in your video, and the proper phrase for what I'm actually about to talk about is going to be called a call to action. So this is something that I know a lot of people don't like to do, but it can really change the overall trajectory of your channel, and it can really help you convert viewers into long-term subscribers. Like me telling you guys right now, like literally right now in this video, that if you guys have been enjoying the video so far, maybe hit that like button, maybe subscribe, turn notifications and all that good stuff if you guys do want to see more videos like that. And just me saying that right there, just one simple sentence, that's a really subtle reminder where it's like, hey, if you're enjoying what you see, you could help me out a lot by pressing 2 buttons just before you end off on the video. Now, the cold hard facts right there are that some of you guys probably forgot about those things while you're watching this video until I actually brought it up a second ago. So like sneaking in little phrases like that can definitely remind viewers to actually ask themselves if they're enjoying what they see, and if so, they'll probably subscribe because you reminded them. Now ask yourself, there's a pretty good reason why every single big YouTuber still does that. Everyone asks their viewers to drop a like if they're enjoying the video, and subscribe if they want to see more like it, because we as the viewer often forget about that stuff. Like, we really do. Now, one thing that I really like to do personally in my own videos, and it's something that you guys should see on like the left of me right now. Yeah, I think this is my left. This is my right, but it's your left. Wait, what am I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, it should be on the left of the screen right now, but it's like 2 simple animations that I actually paid my friend to make for me, and they just remind the viewer to like the video if you're enjoying it, and subscribe if you guys do want to see more videos like it. If you guys want me to make like a tutorial on those kind of like little animations someday in the future, definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I can ask my friend to like maybe do a collaboration video with me. But anyways, let's get on to the next tip. So now for the last tip, which should be the most basic one, but I've seen a lot of people mess up on it, and I still see people messing up on it to this day. But it's really just to respond to every single person who leaves you like a comment or sends you a tweet or literally anything. I really don't like to think of myself as a big YouTuber by any means, but I feel like I have gotten like decently far for myself. I have 180,000 subscribers right now, and I respond to every single comment I get on my newer videos for at least the first 2 weeks that they're out. I also respond to every single tweet that I get and every single Discord message that I get in my Discord server with like all of my viewers. My Discord server is a great place to go if you guys do want to meet like other content creators, but please don't join if you guys do just plan on self-promoting, because that's just like against our rules and it's not okay. That's like a shameless little Discord plug. But anyways guys, that really is it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe and drop a like if you guys did enjoy the video and think you guys learned something. That right there, that's a call to action. Definitely try incorporating those into your videos. But anyways guys, also turn notifications. Also another call to action if you guys did enjoy the video and you guys do want to join the Naughty Gang. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.